Most beginners make this mistake while creating a floor plan in Revit. Don't be one of them. Watch this empty screen turn into a floor plan in just 5 minutes. Learn how to create professional floor plan in Revit step by step, even if you are a beginner. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll see how to create simple plan in Revit in less than 5 minutes. Let's begin the video without any delay. Now, the plan consists of walls, not only walls of various thicknesses. It consists of windows, doors, and so on, etc. First, the main part of the plan is walls. So to create a walls, we need what is the thickness of the wall. Generally, in practical, we use exterior wall as 9 inch and interior wall as 4.5 inch. So to create the wall, go to wall command. Here you can see in architect command there is a wall command. Our shortcut for the wall is WA. The whole wall properties will appear here in properties box. Click on this. Select generic 300 mm. Go to edit tab. Now, in order to create the wall of required thickness, click on duplicate. Give the wall name I am giving as 9in. That means 9 inch wall. Click on OK. Now we have to change the thickness of the wall. From structure, go to edit. Here you can type 9 inch and enter. The thickness is changed to 9 inch. Click on OK. Apply. OK. Now you can see a 9 inch wall is created. And we also need 4.5 inch wall for interior walls. So click on edit type again. Click on duplicate. Now give the name as 4 inch. Click on OK. Sorry, 4.5 inch. Edit. The thickness we are going to give as 4.5. Click 4.5 inch. Click on OK. Apply. OK. Now two required walls are created. One is 9 inch wall and 4.5 inch wall. Select 9 inch wall. For your understanding purpose, I am going with random values. Select first point and you can see here the length is changing, or you can creep the straight and type some value like 40. Enter. It's like this also you can draw, or simply go to 40 and click right click. It's also okay. Create a box. And this is exterior of our plan. Now type WA again. From here select 4 inch wall, that is 4.5 inch wall. Now to draw walls, if you want to draw the midpoint of this wall, you can see the midpoint is appear here. Select this, drag, click. If you want to create another room, drag, click. If you want to add a toilet here, zoom it using middle mouse button. Simple, you can add here. Now this is our plan. You can go to 3D view. You can see here the plan. This is how you can create the plan, not the plan, the walls in the plan, simple in the Revit. Now, if you want to cut wall here, for that purpose, click on this wall. Here you can select C split element and split with gap. Select on split element. Select first point. I am selecting at 12 inch, 12.6 inch, and second point as 2.6. Escape. Now this object will be separated. Click this, enter, delete. The wall is split here. You cannot see the wall here. See, the opening is made here. This is the split command, the most important command from the modify commands. Come back to level 1. Now, if you want to draw a floor here, for that go to architecture, click on floor. Now, if you want to create your custom floor, go to edit type. Same process as we did for the wall. Click on duplicate, type floor 1, enter, go to edit type. Generally the floor thickness is 5 inch. So 5 inch, enter, OK, apply, OK. Now from here select this rectangle, or you can also draw with line, boundary line. I'm going with rectangle. Select first point, drag it, and here. Click on right, go to 3D view. We can see flow area. This is the floor. Yeah. This is the end of this video. In this video, we saw the floor creation and plans. In the next video, we'll see how to add doors and windows for this plan and how to create a roof structure. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to the channel. See you in next video. Thank you.